Hey Joss, I think that you were asking about the piecewise function, so I thought I'd give you a little screencast here. Let's say you wanted a function that was a piecewise function, so let's define f of x equals, and right here I'm going to hit escape, pw escape, and in the case 1, let's say I want it to be sine of x. I put it in parentheses just to make sure it considers it one entity. Then I hit control comma, let's say this is for x less than 1, then control enter gives me the new line, and let's say I want it to be cosine of x. I guess I don't need the parentheses. Otherwise. So always end with true, and what that does is it ensures that somebody's for sure going to happen. Because if I were to do x greater than 1 here, then x equals 1 doesn't happen, so just using true for sure makes Mathematica happy. So then I could plot it. Let's go from 0 to 2, and we ought to be able to see the break. Yeah, so here's the break right here. So again, it's escape pw escape, and then of course you can come in here and add another one with another control enter, but you should really end with true because Mathematica calculates this top down. So true should always be your last one, and otherwise you can do this, do it this way. So the function that I think you were thinking about is, let's say we wanted it to be 0 when x was between negative 1 and 1, and then we wanted it to be 10 otherwise. So if I were to plot that, and let me plot this from -2 to 2. So Mathematica doesn't usually draw the vertical lines, but you know that they're there. And in fact, I can change this to be 0.5 or something, and then you'll be able to see it better. You can see the bottom is right here. And so it just doesn't draw these lines. You can play with it if you want them to do that. But the really nice thing about piecewise functions is that NDSolve can handle it just fine. It seems like it knows how to deal with the discontinuities. I used to always do this with if-then statements. And in fact, NDSolve has problems with if-then statements on occasion. But it seems to really be able to handle the piecewise functions quite well.